Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I wish to invite you to my Patreon page. The link is down below, and hopefully you can find something of interest there as well. I'm uploading videos on Patreon regularly as well, same as what I'm doing here on YouTube, and I hope to see you there soon. Thank you for your support.